Hey there, Marguerita here, and today I'm going to share with you a short clip with words of wisdom from my Wildly Wealthy workshop. Whatever you can conceive and believe, you can achieve. I know that you have heard this quote a gazillion times, and it's extremely important because there's a part of this, I'm going to unpack it. Whatever you can conceive, whatever idea you have, whatever vision you can think up, and believe, this is the key part of this phrase, you can achieve. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your massive goal or vision straight away. But by doing the internal work, by taking steps every single day, by acknowledging and celebrating the wins that you have as you progress, by really acknowledging that you are growing and pushing those boundaries and getting out of your comfort zone. You know, a big part of this growth journey of building success is about getting out of your comfort zone, realizing that as uncomfortable as it was, as hard as it might have been, as scary as it might have been, you didn't die and you can do it again tomorrow. So it's building that self-belief within yourself. And that comes over time. As you progress, as you expand, as you get better, you build that self-belief. So work on this phrase and embodying this phrase and knowing that whatever you can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Because this is where I want you to put your pens and papers down. I want you to hear this. I want you to embody this. I want you to embrace and integrate this as absolute truth. Because when you do, this will completely turn your life around. It will completely change your trajectory. It will completely change your future results. Because you are capable of achieving anything that you put your mind to. You are the answer to all your problems. You are the key that unlocks any door. You are infinitely powerful, and there is nothing that you cannot achieve. There is no problem you cannot solve, and there is no goal, no dream, no vision that is too big that you are incapable of achieving. So put your hand on your heart and repeat after me. I am infinitely powerful. Again, I am infinitely powerful. Again, I am infinitely powerful. Feel it resonate. Feel it integrate. Say it with feeling. I am infinitely powerful. One more time. Say it with conviction. Say it like you mean it. I am infinitely powerful. Now, I am amazing. I am brilliant. I am capable of achieving anything I put my mind to. I am bigger than any challenge I will ever face. I am unstoppable. I am unshakable. I am undeniable. I am unprecedented. I am infinitely powerful. Okay, take a breath. Imagine showing up with that kind of attitude and building that kind of belief within yourself every day. What changes? What changes for you when you show up with that kind of attitude and that kind of belief each and every day? Cultivating and building that belief within you. Do you dare to dream differently? Do you dare to dream bigger? What action do you take? How do you show up? How is life different as a consequence of building that belief within you? I really hope that hit home. If you've enjoyed this video and you would like more action steps to be able to become wildly wealthy, then just register for my free Wildly Wealthy workshop at the address that is on your screen right now. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop. Until next time, take care and bye for now.